Welcome back, everybody. It's windy today and kind of Ohio-esque. The 3rd, November the 3rd. Does this thing tell me the temperature? It's warm. It's supposed to be probably 85, 90 degrees today. So the beautiful wife, or I should say my beautiful wife, Debbie, is going to be coming on a ride with me today. It's probably going to be her longest ride yet, and we're going to be taking the F3T. I have an upgraded seat on this Can-Am Spyder. It's the coast-to-coast seat, and BRP had to do a recall because, and this is me speculating, this is a better seat, and the shell is firm, and it would not depress the 2-up switch. So the Spyder didn't know you were 2-up. They did a recall. For all of you that don't know, Can-Am Spyders have a lot of safety features into them, including stability control, and they want to know if you are riding 2-up. So there's this switch right here. Oh, and I've been riding with it. So what I do when I'm a single rider, I take this off and I put it here. That way the switch is not switchable, because I was tearing through brakes because it thought I was 2-up. So every time I go for a ride, I do this. Now the switch is switchable. Here's the little metal contact that always is pushing that thing down. So if you drive aggressively, it thinks you're 2-up. You don't even have to drive aggressively, to be honest with you. If you just ride on the quicker side, it thinks you're 2-up. It's applying brakes, putting a ton of wear and tear on your Spyder. So if you have the coast-to-coast seat, beware, there was a recall. So she's going to get out. We're going to go for a ride. She might be a little chilly today, but it is humid. It is humid for sure. And look at that slug bug. I get yelled at all the time. You can't keep calling the same slug bug. Well, it's a different day, and it's a slug bug. So I will come back once we get down the road, everybody. Welcome back, everybody. Road may flood, and that's only if you get rain. We don't get rain here. As you can tell, it's pretty brown. We are going super slow on this ride today. Like I said, this is going to be her longest ride. We just got married 3 months ago. Did you see the train? I've never been underneath a train before. Huh. And she's never really been on anything at all like this, so just nice and easy. Go for a nice ride. Keep her as comfortable as possible. She just got scared by that truck. You good? She doesn't like my driving, so to give up the control and be in an open air, this is a lot for her. So I need to be very respectful and ride very cautiously. But so far, this is a nice little ride, and I'm glad that I have it so close to the house. Be here in minutes. Don't need to worry about getting on the highway. And that's good for her, because less traffic around us, then the better it is for her. And I'm used to traffic. I commuted on my Can-Am Spyders for years through Columbus, Ohio, and so traffic doesn't bother me. If I have to, I go fast. If I have to, I go slow, and it is what it is, and I enjoy riding everywhere. But these back roads is what I truly love, and I think a lot of people do. Sometimes I do want to get on the highway and just go 80, 85 miles per hour for 100 miles, just so it kind of feels like I went somewhere, because you can be on the back road for 2 hours and go 30 miles, it seems. And, I like to go a little bit further and faster at times. I feel like we're putting. Delayed shift. That's one thing I don't like about the semi-automatic or electric shift Spyders.
Most of the time they shift beautiful, you know. They're not the quickest, it's not a performance, it's, you know, just to shift. But sometimes there's a delay. You got some horsies and some moo cows. Oh, there's some longhorns in there. I'll see if I can't blow that up. I've wanted to get a video of a longhorn, so there we go. One video of a longhorn. I think there were 2 of them. And then down here they let cows grow their horns too. So just a regular cow with horns. It's quite unique to see. They got cameras everywhere in that quarry. And I think what they're doing is they're actually going to be removing this whole shelf, hill, whatever you want to call it, which is kind of sad. I don't like when they remove whole entire mountains, hills, because then it takes away beautiful roads like this. Big ol' F-250, 7.3 liter turbo diesel. I'm pretty sure that would have the 7.3 before the 6 liter. But yeah, the Spyder's doing good. I need to check the air pressure in that rear air spring. I think we're a little on the low side. And then what do? We go left here. Oh, that truck had wiper blades. I don't see any rain yet. It might be her first big ride. And we get rained on. See how that goes. Big dip. But yeah, it's still pretty, but it's completely different landscape than what I'm used to, you know. The rolling hills of southern Ohio. Mom calls everything green mountains. So she grew up in Kentucky, so you know the Appalachian Mountains covered in trees, green mountains. You know, down here we don't have as many twisty roads as what I was hoping, but I found a couple near the new house, and I am going to take full advantage. There are some very beautiful places. It's just different. The wind is going to blow us off the Spyder. Dead animal, anybody? So as we go very slowly down this road, hopefully she is super comfortable. That's a nice house. I dig it. Oh, I've been on this road, I think. That takes us up to 3009. Got a little Ferrari. Jaguar. It was a Jag. More moo cows. Very dry, people. So on that, I think I'm gonna let everybody go. I would say I'm gonna listen to music, but I am not listening to music today. I am being vigilant to whatever she is doing behind me, so I know what's going on and that she's comfortable. Dig. Oh, the sun. The sun. I love the sun. Sun went away. So on that, I think I'm gonna let everybody go. So set the cruise, give me a big old thumbs up, stay safe everybody. I'll see you down the road.